guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good morning at Karachi. On behalf of the Chief of the Naval Staff, officers, and men of Pakistan Navy, I wholeheartedly welcome you from across the globe because you have traveled and gathered here to participate in multinational exercise Aman 21. I would also like to take this opportunity to extend my profound gratitude to your countries for participation in exercise Aman 21 despite COVID challenges. I sincerely hope and wish that this interaction of ours will be pleasant, memorable, professionally rewarding, and that you would have a great time at Karachi and at sea. I'm also earnestly looking forward to developing enduring personal and professional relationships among the participants of exercise Aman 21. Ladies and gentlemen, our presence here this morning is a testimony to the fact that we all believe in coming together and joining hands against challenges beyond our individual capacities, that we are willing to act and operate together to defeat the threats that concern us all, the threats that cannot be combated by a single country alone. The literal meaning of Aman in our native language Urdu is peace, from which draws the motto of the exercise, which is Together for Peace. Therefore, collaborative maritime security and collective effort for maintaining good order at sea remains the underlying spirit of Aman series of exercises. Today is a proud moment for Pakistan Navy when we begin the 7th edition of our biennial multinational exercise, the purpose of which is simple: let's come together, understand each other, and fight the common enemy, and thereby achieve peace and stability at sea. We started this exercise in 2007 with the call, let's work together for peace. With the passage of time, our message got wider acceptance, and the participants steadily grew. And today, around 45 countries have gathered here with one commitment, that is, make seas safer for positive human activities. The increasing number of participants reflects growing trust in the value of the exercise. Ladies and gentlemen, exercise Aman is aimed at to encourage and consolidate the process of collaborative maritime security among the countries across the globe, to demonstrate joint resolve against the threats emanating from the maritime domain, to enhance interoperability among the participating navies, and finally, to achieve shared understanding of maritime security operations, counter-terrorism operations, and humanitarian and disaster relief operations. Therefore, exercise has been constructed in such a way in harbor and sea phases that all these objectives are amicably met. The salient activities include professional interactions, cross-cultural events, and exercises at sea. In parallel, 9th International Maritime Conference on Development of Blue Economy under Secure and Sustained Environment, a Shared Future for the Western Indian Ocean region, is also being held at National Institute of Maritime Affairs, in which prominent speakers from across the globe are participating. Ladies and gentlemen, in cognizance of Pakistan's geostrategic location in the Indian Ocean at the confluence of Middle East, Central Asia, and South Asia, Pakistan Navy has been playing an important role in promoting regional maritime security and good order at sea. Pakistan has been steadfast in fighting the menace of terrorism and has in the process rendered countless sacrifices. Pakistan is a firm believer in collaborative maritime security and has therefore been participating in maritime security and counter-piracy operations since 2004, along with its partner nations. Being one of the pioneer partners of CMF task forces and has been the largest regional contributor to these constructs in terms of men and material. On our national front, we have institutionalized Task Force 88, which is chartered with ensuring maritime security of Gwadar and the adjacent sea lanes. Recently, since 2018, Pakistan Navy has been taking another initiative of Regional Maritime Security Patrol, or RMSP. It is aimed at making seas safer for maritime community, augment maritime security, and contribute to freedom of navigation at sea in the Indian Ocean region. RMSP seeks to create a stable maritime environment through the integration rather than alienation. It also endeavors to foster partnerships with other regional countries and enhance interoperability. Cumulatively, Pakistan considers that maritime security is not just important for itself, but for all other countries whose prosperity and progress are strongly bonded with oceans and the seas. Ladies and gentlemen, the concept of maritime security is not only vast, but is multidimensional, ranging from traditional security issues like state sovereignty matters, territorial disputes, threats from conventional forces, etc., to more non-traditional issues like piracy, narco-trafficking, human smuggling, illegal, unreported and unregulated fishing, pollution, and maritime terrorism. No country can single-handedly tackle the diverse threats that exist or the new ones that emerge on a daily basis. Thus, collaborative maritime security has become the scarlet thread to ensure peace and stability in the region. Therefore, Exercise Aman provides enormous opportunities to the participants for contriving the contours of collaborative maritime security. In this regard, Exercise Aman 21 is an effort to foster camaraderie, boost interoperability, and exhibit a united resolve against multifaceted threats. It also provides a platform to refine tactical procedures and improve doctrinal understanding of the participants. In this regard, some of the prominent activities of Aman 21 include anti-piracy tactics, counter-terrorism operations, search and rescue maneuvers, and finally, the hallmark of the sea phase, which is the International Fleet Review. Ladies and gentlemen, the exercise is a reflection that nations can always play a constructive role in forging new ties, establishing innovative relationships, and strengthening the existing ones. Overall, Exercise Aman is about bridging gaps and making it possible to operate together in pursuance of common objectives. I may also mention here that this exercise is being conducted under an COVID environment, which has its own challenges. But we have ensured that all activities are conducted by strictly following the related SOPs. At the end, I once again welcome you all and look forward to a mutually beneficial exercise, which I hope and wish brings us closer and more united than before and standing together for peace. Thank you.